Hi, it's Claire from Couture, and today I'd like to show you how to knit through the back loop. So when you're normally knitting, you would go through the front of the stitch like this, and you would knit. However, when you're knitting through the back loop, you don't go through the front of the stitch. You simply take your needle through the back of the loop and you knit as normal. Let me show you that again. So you go through the back of the loop. There you go. And you just knit as normal. The reason why we use this on a number of our patterns, for example, the animals that we make, is that it just gives you a firmer fabric. So when I started out this little swatch today, I started just knitting normal knit stitch, normal garter stitch, and then a few rows up, I started knitting through the back loop, like I am now. And I just wanted to show you what a difference it makes, but just let me get to the end of this row. So here we go. So if you have a look at this, you can see that the first few rows are a bit gappy. They're just larger. But then from here onwards, I've changed to knitting through the back loop, and it just gives you a denser fabric. If you feel it, you can feel, if you were to knit a few rows yourself and just have a feel of it, you can see that it's just much more condensed, and that's why we use it in our animals, because it stops the toy stuffing from falling through. Hope that's helpful. If you like this video, please subscribe on the button below. Thank you.